Hello everyone, welcome to another video of VIEH group job search series. So today we are having job opening position as a cybersecurity trainer from the company called Secnews Technologies, and the job location is Jalandhar, Punjab. Now let's see the job description. The company is hiring persons, those who are good in conducting trainings, seminar, webinar, workshops in the particular in the cybersecurity domain. Now let's see the job role. So you will be designing and creating the technical content for the courses, okay, like CEH, CompTIA, etc. Also, you would be conducting both lives and classroom training programs. Also, you need to be ability to represent the training brands, okay, and maintain high quality that you are making content for the for any of the particular courses. Okay. Now let's see the requirement. For this job role, you should have experience between 0 to 3 years in particularly in the IT security domain. Also, you need degree in BE, BTech. If you don't have a degree, you need certifications like CEH, CompTIA, CHFI, etc. Okay. And your salary is going to be depend on your experience. Okay. Now let's see how you can apply for this particular job role. Now simply go to the LinkedIn and type company's name, Set News Technologies, and go to the job section. And here you will find the job opening. Okay, and you can see all the details regarding it, like requirement, salary, and the job description. And also here you can apply for this particular job role. So that's it for the today's video. Thank you for the watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.